welcome back to my channel. I posted on my Instagram stories a couple months ago a poll asking what type of videos you guys wanted to see, and I got quite a few responses for like a house tour, which I was very excited about because I love that. I love watching house tours. I love watching just how people decorate their homes, and I really love decorating, so I was super excited that people wanted to see that. But I haven't made one yet because even though I really like decorating, I'm also pretty indecisive, or it just like takes me a long time to actually like put things up, and then once I put things up, then it just I always change things around, so I've never felt like, okay, it's like perfect, now I'll film this video. And I don't think it's ever gonna get that way. I think I'm always just gonna be like changing things out. So instead of doing like a whole house tour, because the whole house isn't done, and also I don't think there's ever going to be a time where my whole house is like clean enough to like film it all, because kids. So I think I'm gonna do like different rooms at a time, and so if you guys like this video, then I'll film another room to show you guys. But today's video is going to be a tour of my office. This is my office space. I think this is like the most done room, and it'll probably stay this way. I don't anticipate changing anything that much, so I'm gonna show you guys around my office, and yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the door to get in that leads back out to the living room, and this is the first wall. This is my main working space. So this is my super cute Stendag calendar that I got for Christmas, and I love it. This is just such a great like space filler, and it's perfect for an office because it's a calendar, and calendars are work things, right? So yeah, love this. So then my desk is, I believe this is an IKEA desk, but I actually got it off of Craigslist. So yeah, here's my big desk, desktop computer. This is my microphone that I use to do voiceovers on these videos. And then over here I have my sewing machine and some cute flowers. And this is just like a cute Target pencil holder. And so yeah, this is my desk, my primary workspace. Okay, and then from there I have this closet, and there's not a light in here, so I apologize that you can't really see. But I just have my printer set up right there, and I store my umbrella lights in there, and this little cubby thing has all my fabric that I use for my Etsy shop. So this is pretty much just like my craft and supply closet. Also, I don't know if you could see, but this is my cutie little rocking chair. Okay, so this wall I just have a big giant wooden pegboard that Ryan and I made. We actually did a video on this, so go watch it if you want to make one of these, and you should, because these things are awesome. It's like my favorite thing we've ever made. So I just styled it with things that I like and other craft stuff that I use frequently. So this is just like a cute little vase or picture from Michael's, I think. This is a cute print that says "Be a Nice Human." I love this so much. It's from a company called Mom Shirt Co. And they have super comfy t-shirts as well, but they also have this print that you can buy, and I just really like that. And my little Polaroid camera. These are just things for my Etsy shop. This is a letterboard that I think I got from Joanne, and cute little vase from Target, cute little anthro mug with an L on it. And okay, so this is also a cute little print, just like a cute little fashion print. Here is my tip for getting cute prints. This is a rifle paper print, and I love all their stuff, but I never just buy the prints. I always buy their calendars. So this one and this one down here came as one of their mini calendars, and I bought a few of their calendars and have done this. So I buy their calendars and then I just cut out the prints and frame them. And so you get 12 prints for basically like the price of one. Like their prices of just like one print is pretty much the same price as like a whole calendar. So if you want lots of cute prints, look at calendars and then just cut the pages out and put them in frames, and they work great. So yeah, this is from a rifle paper calendar. This is a cute little basket thing that I got from a thrift store. Okay, so like I said, this print is also from a rifle paper calendar. This is just a little cute anthro wire basket, and this is just like a cute little fringe wall hanging from Target. Another cute little print that I like down there, and this is a whole bucket of DIYs that I need to do and film, but I'm super excited about those. So yeah, this is my cute little wall here. Okay, so this wall is currently styled for another video coming up, so be on the lookout for that. But I just have this cute accordion wall rack that I got from Amazon, and so yeah, I just frequently restyle this however I like, but yeah, this is just for a new video. But yeah, this rack stays here, this bag stays here, and then I just kind of style it however I please. But I love these things. These things are also a good wall filler if you have like a big wall that you don't know what to do with. Get one of these guys, and then you can just put cute things on it and keep changing it out whenever you want. So love that. And then my last little wall just by the window, I just have this cute wall hanging that I got from Target, and I have a little nightstand, random nightstand right here with my weights and a hammer because I've been hanging some things and I haven't put that away, but that's gonna go in the video. So yeah, just this cute little wall hanging. And then my cute carpet is from Target as well. But I love this. I love the pop of color. I'm usually a neutral person, but I thought getting a fun colored rug would spice this room up a little bit. So here's kind of like a big overview of the room. Desk, pegboard, accordion rack, little wall hanging. Yeah, I love this room so much. It's a pretty small space, but I think you can actually do a lot with small spaces by using all the wall space that you have. Like I put this huge calendar that goes pretty high on the wall. My pegboard is pretty tall. My accordion rack is using that big wall space. So yeah, you can still make small spaces really cute, and I love this room so much. So yeah, that's my office. If you guys want to see more of my house, give this video a thumbs up to let me know, and I'll show you guys some other rooms. Hopefully you guys liked this video. I'll try to link things down below that I have in here in case anyone's interested. But yeah, I always love watching people's house tours and seeing how they decorate, so maybe this will give you some inspiration on decorating someplace in your home or apartment or dorm room or wherever you live. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.